So this spring we've been seeing some pileated woodpeckers around our yard. Usually it's pretty rare if we see one a couple times a year, but this year we see them about every day. And I've been watching them, tracking them down, and we got a dead tree here at the back of our property, and I found their nesting sites. Pretty cool. They made that hole up there. I'm gonna try to video them coming and going. Pretty neat to see, pretty neat to find a nesting site. It's pretty high, 30 foot high in that dead tree. I have to set the tripod up over here and get a video of them coming and going. I think they're probably shutting down eggs in there, but pretty soon they'll be feeding them. They'll be coming and going all the time.